Hello, my name is Rositsa Röntynen and I work for Jamk, University of Applied Sciences. In this video, I'm going to show you an example of an asset map. This interactive map contains about 30 projects. What do they have in common is that they develop competence and they are implemented in Central Finland. This map is created in a tool called Kumu, which promises to bring our complex world into a simple order. However, there are hundreds of other network map and mind map tools which could be used for similar purposes. I can't speak of the creators of this map. For me, they remain unknown. But I strongly suspect that it has been co-created, or at least the organizations mentioned in it have been involved in the process. It was presented by the Center for Economic Development, Transport and the Environment of Central Finland, which is also a funding institution. The different colors of the map represent its different components. Red is for projects, dark blue is for leading institutions or leading partners of the projects, light blue is for partners, turquoise is for targets of the development work, and finally pink is for keywords. You can click on a project to get its description. You can also isolate a layer of components of the map. For example, to see how many actors in Central Finland are leading projects and what kind of projects do they have. When you bring the cursor over a component, you can see its relations to other elements. For example, you can see the projects of Jamk or the targets and the keywords of the Expand project. If I need to mention some development needs of this asset map, I would say firstly that better work should have been done with categorizing the keywords to find more common grounds between the projects. Now there are a lot of similar terms like lifelong learning, continuous learning, supplement training, and so on. Each of them is being mentioned just once in the periphery of the map, instead of being here in the middle with several mentionings. And secondly, the same way that the projects have a description, there should have been a description also for each actor, as well as a definition for the keywords, how we understand them. As you see, this is a very simple yet efficient way to visualize assets. And by being aware of what is already there, we can discover deficiencies and come up with new ideas, for example, for new partnerships on a specific topic that we have in common. Thank you for watching.